This is wild garlic, also bear garlic called, and you can make a beautiful pesto with it, and I was lucky enough to find a lot of it at my mother's garden in the Netherlands. You need to take care because there's also some twins, very similar plants like lily of the valley, and that is poisonous. And the smell is very important, the garlic smell. But if you collect the wild garlic, then your hands smell like garlic already. So you need to take care at the leaves as well. They are all ellipse formed. The flowers are totally different, but the wild garlic has only one leaf per stem, and 2 or 3 leaves of the lily, they are grown together at the base. So inform well before collecting. This is a third plant with ellipse-formed leaves, quite similar and growing at the same time. This is the autumn crocus. And that is very, very poisonous. It is deadly poisonous. So you can see here that this autumn crocus has not a stem at all. The leaves come so like that out of the ground. So take care. Believe it or not, there's every year people that get killed by this mistake. So let's make some pesto. We collect 800 grams of wild garlic leaves. We wash it and we make it dry and cut it. Then we have 100 grams of Parmesan cheese that we grate, and we heat also 100 grams of pine nuts in the pan and make it all small. With this immersion blender, that was very difficult. So we had no countertop blender at this time, but later you will see a pesto made with a countertop blender, and that is very, very much easier. So we put it all together also with 4 teaspoons of salt, and with 500 to 1000 milliliters of olive oil, depending on the substance of your pesto. So there in the bottom right is the pesto made with the countertop blender. So let's taste.
Ja, lekker.
Oh,
Ja, dan probeer maar
zo
wat.
was van lekker, hey. Very good.
Later I'll show you a couple of bloopers while my mother filmed this. It's quite funny. I also put it on the pasta and the spaghetti, which was also very good. It's a little bit lot pesto. I also put it in some sauces. It is a beautiful, lovely taste. And of course on a toast you can also eat it very well. Here the one made with the countertop blender. It's delicious. Try it.
Ja, lekker.
Nou,
Smaakt zeer lekker.
So I hope you like the video, and I hope to see you in the next Zoo Wild video. So,
zo.
the bloopers.
Dit is schön.
Ver. Je maakt een video, niet een foto.
Ik ga naar bed.
Man,
Ik ga slapen. Ik heb geen
lukt
lust
nog.
meer.
Hij lukt. Zo, ready. Fertig. Klaar.
Kan ik
Wat dan?
spreken?
Ja, dus je bent nog aan een video maken, maar wat dan? Wat wil je zeggen dan?
De troep is dadelijk op.
Maar je bent nou nog aan een video, man. Hij is nog rood of niet?
Ja, geweldig.
Ja, dan druk nog maar een keer om te stoppen.